Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Skinner is going to do math with you for Thursday, May 14th. Okay? Alrighty. So, we've been learning about using 5, counting by 5s, and ways to make 5. For practice, we're going to count by 5s all the way to 100, and then we're going to practice making 6, okay? So, starting with 5, and remember, we'll do 1 jazz hand for 5, 2 jazz hands for every set of 10, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Okay. Ways to make 6. I have some cubes here to show you. We can combine them to make 6, but you also can always use your hands. So think for a second at home. What are some ways with your hands that you can show me 6 fingers? Okay, if you did 5 and 1, you're right, that's 6. What are some other ways to make 6? If you showed me 3 and 3, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what about another way? If you're thinking 4 and 2, you are right. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 different colored cubes. The reason why I'm using 2 different colors is to show you how 2 different numbers can combine to make one number. Right here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 green cubes, 2 red cubes, 4 and 2. How many do I have now? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's try again with some different amounts. Okay? This time I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones. 5 red ones. So how many green ones do I need to make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 more green one. Okay? So I'm showing that you can take 5 and 1, put them together to make 6. Okay? Now, you have a page today in your packet. It looks like this. Color the cubes to match each equation. Well, I used 2 different colors here, didn't I? One to represent one number, another color to represent the second number. So, since I used red and green cubes, I'm going to use a red colored pencil and a green colored pencil. If you don't have colored pencils, crayons is fine. On here it says 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 5. Just like I did here. 1 green one, 5 red ones. So I'm going to color 1 cube green to represent that green one. So if you like to color, this will be a fun math page for you. 1 green one, and then I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones. So I will use my red colored pencil to color the rest. Okay? 1 and 5 makes 6. So down here the problem says 2 plus 4 equals 6. So you can use whatever colors you want. You don't have to use red and green. If you want to use purple and blue, that's fine. If you want to use black and white, that's fine. But just make sure that one number is all in one color and the second number is all a different color. And you don't have to worry about coloring the answer because the answer is what you get when you're all done. Okay, so let's say for 2 plus 4, maybe I'll use 2 purples. And then for the last 4, I'll use pink. Okay? So that is how you do that part. Then down at the bottom it says trace the numbers and solve the problems. Okay? And they show you hands, and each hand has a certain number of little circles on it. So like here, there's 3 circles here. So you'd write 3 there. The plus sign is there for you to trace. And then this hand also has 3. So 3 there as well. 3 plus 3 equals, and they put the answer there for you. 3 plus 3 is 6, so you just trace it. And you do the same thing over here, except look closely at the hand because the numbers are different this time. Okay? And then on the back, start with 1. Write your numbers nice and neat as high as you can. Okay? Have fun coloring your math page. Good job, guys.